Hey guys, this is Siddhi from Best of Beauty and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk all about body care. Now since the lockdown has begun, obviously things have been really challenging for us because we have to do things by ourselves and be more self-reliant as well. So one of the major things that is really challenging is obviously hair removal and taking care of your body. So I thought that I should share this video with you guys wherein I tell you guys all about how to get rid of the excess hair on your body at home, then obviously the shaving process, what products to use as well, and everything of that sort. So I really hope that this video is going to be helpful for you and informative as well. And yeah, let's just get started. But before that, if you are new to my channel or if you haven't subscribed already, then make sure to hit the red subscribe button and also turn on the notifications so that you get notified with all of the videos that I'm putting up. And yeah, let's get started. So first, let's talk about body washes. Now I personally prefer using body washes over soaps because I just feel like they're more hygienic, and I have two of my favorites here with me. So first up we have this one, which is the Body Shop Strawberry Shower Gel, and this is what that one looks like. I personally just love the strawberry range in Body Shop because it just smells so good and I love strawberries, and this is like a really gentle body wash that I personally love using on a day-to-day basis as well. And the only reason I've probably got it is because of the scent. It just smells so good. But if you ask someone who does not like that extra sweet fragrances, then you might not like this one because obviously it is strawberry and it's really sweet, but I love using this. The second one that I have is this one, which is the Nivea Care Shower Fresh Pure body wash, and this is what that one looks like. This one is obviously much more affordable as compared to the Body Shop one. Now when I get tired of using that one because obviously it has a really fruity scent and I want something more fresh, then I gravitate towards this one because this one has like a really nice citrusy scent to it, and especially after working out, I feel like this sort of a fragrance just energizes you even more, and I love the scent of this. So those were the shower gels that I use on a day-to-day basis. Now moving on to the moisturizer, and this one is obviously no surprise. So this is the Body Shop Strawberry Body Yogurt. Again, this is strawberry, as I mentioned that I love Body Shop strawberry range. It smells amazing, and the reason I got this body yogurt instead of the body butters is because I feel like it's so humid and hot and I don't want to apply anything really sticky on my body, and that's the reason I love this consistency of this body yogurt because it feels really nourishing and it just sinks into the skin and it moisturizes your skin really well as well, and obviously it smells amazing. This is what the consistency looks like. As you can see, it's like a jelly, and it just feels really nice on the body as well, and as I mentioned, it just sinks in. So I'm just going to apply it and show you. Just look at that. It feels really hydrating, but it's not at all sticky, and it's perfect for the summers because you don't want something that's too thick in consistency. Just look at that. I don't know if you can see the difference, but this hand is obviously not moisturized and this is, and it just feels really nice. If you haven't tried out the body yogurts, then you should definitely give these a go. Now let's talk about hair removal. I think this has probably been one of the most common issues which we were talking about since the lockdown has begun, because obviously we are so used to going to the salons and getting ourselves groomed, getting waxing done, getting our eyebrows groomed and everything of that sort. And since the time we are home, we're obviously trying to figure all of these things out by ourselves. So I just thought that I should sit down and tell you guys what I personally have been doing for hair removal as well, and just guiding you through the entire process so that it's much easier for you all as well, because obviously this lockdown is going to continue and we don't know for how many months, so we cannot rely on going to salons. It's just not safe at this point. So just figuring things out by yourself and doing them at home is just a safer way for everyone. So I'm obviously going to tell you exactly what I do so that it's helpful for you all as well. Now when it comes to hair removal, trust me, I've tried everything. I have, shaved, I have waxed, I have used epilators, I have done everything. And what has worked for me is actually shaving. Everyone is just so intimidated by shaving because there are so many myths around it, and one of the things is obviously that you get thicker hair growth and you tend to get more ingrowth as well because of shaving. But trust me, no, that's not the case. I have been shaving for the past 5 years and I have not had any sort of problems with it. As I mentioned that I have tried waxing as well, and waxing is actually what gave me ingrowth in the first place. It wasn't shaving, and since the time I have been shaving, I swear by it. That's the only thing I do because I just feel like it's so convenient. You can do it whenever you want and you can just get rid of the excess hair growth, and it's so quicker to do as well. For me to shave my entire body, it takes me around 20-25 minutes. I'm not even lying about this. It's so quick, but obviously you have to keep at it and you have to consistently do it so that you don't get that excessive hair growth. First, let's talk about the razor. Now, I personally have mentioned this like a couple of times as well, that I love the Let's Shave razors because they have more blades. As you can see that it's a 6-blade razor. I personally don't love using the Gillette razors because I don't get a closer shave. I love the Let's Shave ones, and I'm going to leave all of the product links in the description box below so you can check out these products for yourself as well. So this has been my favorite razor for like a lot of years now, and these are really sturdy as well. So before you start shaving, it's really important that you exfoliate your skin and scrub it really well. So for that, I have been loving this one, which is the M Caffeine coffee body scrub, and this is what that one looks like. Now this is a really gritty scrub, so if you don't like that, then you might not like this because as you can see, it's just like powder, and it just obviously smells really amazing because it has the coffee scent to it. And I personally love using these gritty scrubs because they just take off the dead skin really well. And when I use this and I shave my body, my skin feels super soft, which is what I really love about this. And coffee is supposed to have really great benefits. It helps with stretch marks, it's supposed to help with cellulite as well, and also evening out your skin tone and making it much smoother, which is why I love using a coffee body scrub. If you personally don't like those gritty scrubs, then what you can do is you can use something like this, which is the Body Shop softening body polish. Now this is a body polish. Sometimes I like using this also. This is obviously very gentle. It's not going to be harsh on your skin whatsoever. It has a really nice consistency to it, and it obviously gently exfoliates, and it still is very nourishing on your skin as well. So if you don't like the coffee scrub, then you can opt for something like this as well. Sometimes if I feel like I have too much ingrowth and I really want to deeply exfoliate my body, that's when I use these. So these are the gloves that I got from Body Shop, and they are supposed to exfoliate your skin really well, and as you can see that they're so easy to use. So what you do with these is you just use your regular body wash. Obviously do not use a scrub with this because this is like a really a rough exfoliating glove, so you do not want to use a scrub on top of it because then it's just going to make your skin really dry and it's going to be too harsh on your skin. So I use this shower gel with this glove, and you just have to like gently massage this on your body, and trust me, it just works so well, especially if you are someone who has ingrowth. So definitely try these gloves out. They come in a pair, so you can obviously wear it in both your hands and then just like gently exfoliate your body. Sorry if the light fluctuated, it's really gloomy outside. I think it's about to rain, and obviously there is no natural light in front of me right now, so that's the reason the light I think changed a bit. But I was actually talking about the shaving foam. So this is the one that I use, and this is the Gillette Satin Care, and it has aloe vera in it as well. And this I have been again using for the past 4-5 years since the time I have been shaving. This is a really good shaving gel, and this is again really inexpensive as well. So what I do is I obviously scrub my body. So either it can be with this one, which is the coffee scrub, or with these gloves, depending on what I want to go for. And after that I move on to using this shaving gel all over my body. Now once you're done shaving, it's really important to deeply nourish your skin as well, because obviously you're exfoliating firstly with a scrub and then you're using a razor on top, so your skin is obviously going to be really dry and itchy sometimes. So what I like to do is I use this, which is the M caffeine. I don't know why I'm saying caffeine. Isn't it caffeine? Maybe I'm pronouncing it wrong, but whatever. I use their Naked and Raw coffee body polishing oil, and this is what that one looks like. As you can see that I've used like a lot of this, and every time I use this my skin just feels super nourished and just adds like a beautiful shine to it as well. Obviously because this is an oil, it's going to be sticky on your skin, so I personally love using this body oil after I shave, because this has also really good ingredients like vitamin E in it, and this also helps with stretch marks and cellulite, as I mentioned earlier as well, and evening out your skin tone, and obviously it makes your body really soft. So that's why I love using this. So that was all about shaving your body, and if you all still have any doubts or queries with respect to it, then definitely leave them in the comments down below, because I would love to help you out by answering all of them, so that it makes your life much easier. Now I'm going to talk about this mini razor right here, and this is the one that I would recommend if you want to shave your bikini area. This just gets rid of the hair very easily, especially in that area. So if you haven't tried this razor out, definitely do. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description box. These are really inexpensive as well, and you get like a bunch of them. So definitely try this out, because it's really going to work amazingly and you're going to thank me. So yeah guys, that is it for today's video. That was all about body care, and I really hope that this video was informative for you guys and you liked it. And if you did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and help them out as well by sharing this video. And also, last but definitely not the least, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button. It will really mean a lot, and I will see you guys in the next one. Love you.